1 million views, right? Okay, 1 million views. 7,000 subscribers. 2 months. Sounds impressive, right? Yeah. I also had no idea that I was going to be paying for it myself, and I got no idea how I'm ever going to earn out of it. Nah, not a single penny. So look, before you quit your job, right, and go and get camera gear on credit and start calling yourself a content creator, sit down, because we need to talk. We really do. My name is John Fifield. I'm a former international CEO. I'm an author. Apparently I've written 42 books or something. And apparently now also I'm a YouTuber. Well, there you go. So in the last 60 days, right, I've posted over 200 videos. Yeah, that's 200. I've launched a second channel that hit nearly 1,800 subscribers in its first week, and I've racked up more than 8,000 watch hours of views, and I've crossed 1 million views, which is you'd think fairly impressive for a couple of months. And like, here's the part that nobody tells you. YouTube looked at one of my videos last week and said, yeah, effectively we're not going to show this to anybody, and I got single digit views, and that's not unusual. There's been quite a few of my videos that have got single digit views. 7,000 subscribers, right? Yeah, you'd think that would mean something. No, not really. Tumbleweeds. If you listen very quietly, you can hear them blowing in the background.